Okay, so this one, I've got a battery. Oops, I got another resistor here. I want another resistor right there. So we got a resistor there, got a resistor there, we got a resistor there, and this. Okay, we're told that this one is 20 volts. This is a 6 ohm resistor. We don't know that one. We don't know that one. We don't know that one. That's the batteries we don't know. This is a 4 ohm resistor. This is a 4 ohm resistor. And this is a 5 ohm resistor. We want to calculate that, but we're going to be given that the current in this leg is equal to 4 amps. We're told the current in this leg is equal to 4 amps. And we want to calculate those two values. All right. So, things that we know. This current is going to come in, that current is going to come in, that current is going to go down. According to our rule, this current right here is going to have to equal 4 amps plus 4 amps. It's got to equal 8 amps. So we know we've got 8 amps. That makes life really easy. So now we've got to pick a loop. So I'm going to pick this loop. So there's that loop. So I'm going to get E1 minus my I1 times 4 minus my I, that's that I, times 5. This is going the right direction across my 3, so that one's a positive. And then I've got that I1 times 4 has got to equal 0. So what I end up with here is I get E1 plus E3. Those two are the same. It's 8I1. We know what this I is because we figured it out. 8 times 5 is 40. So I've got 40 has got to equal 0. So that's one piece, right? There we go. But we know what I1 is, right? Because we were told what I1 is. I is 4, so I'm going to multiply that by 4. So I get E1 plus E3 is equal to 32 minus 40 is equal to 0. So E1 plus E3 has got to equal 72. Okay, let's do this loop. We're going to do this loop this time. So I'm going to get E3 minus I2 times 6. We're going in the correct direction across that. We got that. We're coming through. We're going the correct. We got I times my 5 has got to equal 0. So E3, we know that that's 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. We got 20 minus 40 is equal to 0. So E3, I got -4 minus 40 is equal to 0. E3 is going to equal 44. So E1 is equal to 72 minus 44. And I get 28. Okay.